Elevations. The elevation views of the 3D model can be viewed and modified in two different modes. In Model mode, elevations can be modified in the same way as the 3D model and 2D drawings. These changes affect the drawings in the model stack. To make changes to the project from the elevation views, Model mode must be selected. Right-click the front gable roof edge and select Edit. First, select to add a gable frieze, and then check the Gable Vent box to add a gable vent. The properties of the gable vent can be modified in the Vent Options menu if necessary. Next, edit the other gable roof edge and add a gable frieze. Elevations can be detailed with notes, labels, dimensions, paint patterns, and other items while in annotated mode. Switching into annotated mode shows automatically generated elevation markers that label items such as the top of roof, top of plate, top of subfloor, and more. These elevation markers can be quickly hidden on the elevation if desired. For example, to hide the elevation markers on the front elevation, simply select Dimension, Show on Right, or Show on Left. The elevation marker lines and labels are removed. The elevation markers will appear again when these options are enabled. A detail note can now be added to display information about the roof. To do this, select Notes, Detail Note. First, click where the note is to begin and then move the cursor in the direction the note is to read and click again. Use the Note menu to enter the note text and to make any changes to the note properties, such as the alignment and outline style. Pointers and segmented pointers can also be added to neatly label the drawing. By editing a pointer, the pointer's color, size, and arrow style can all be modified. Using these annotation tools, each of the elevation views can be modified to create detailed, informative construction documents.